Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we will see how we can design this Apple Pencil in CATIA. So it consists of two parts, obviously the uh, body and the cap. So then we'll design it separately and then we will assemble it in the assembly workbench itself. So let's see how we can design it using CATIA V5. Let's start with the part design and call it pencil body. Okay, and the first sketch that we will do is YZ plane, go for a sketch, take a circle and draw something like this and give it a dia of 8 mm, right? Then we will exit the workbench and we will give it a pad of 5 mm. Zoom to fit. Okay. Now after that we'll do another sketch on this face. Let's go for a sketch. Zoom in a bit. Go for center rectangle and draw a rectangle, then give it a dimension constraint of 5 mm and 1.5 mm, right? So from there we can exit the workbench and then we can go for a pad of about 7 mm. Alright, so this is basically the back of our pencil, and then let's go for some fillets. So 1 mm for this edge and this edge. Okay, and the other fillet that we will give is this edge and this edge, 0.5 mm. That's it. Now we'll pad this. Okay, let's select sketch 1 and go for a padding. In the reverse direction, let's go for 156. Okay, yeah. After that, we'll do some grooving on this edge, this face basically. So let's go for a sketch. Let's take circle. From the center we'll draw two circles and then we'll give it a dimension of 7 and 6 mm. Exit the workbench and then go for a pocket for 1 mm. Yeah, that's what we wanted. Right, then we'll do some sketch on this face. So let's go for sketch. Select a center rectangle and draw like this. Give it a dimension 2 mm and from this edge to this edge 0.5, also from here to here 4 mm. Okay, next go for a corner and select this one, go for 0.5 mm Repeat this process for all the four corners. Right? Then we will exit the workbench and we will go for a pocket. After that, this face again and go for a sketch. Now the first thing that we will do is let's select a center rectangle, and somewhere around here let's sketch our rectangle. Alright, let's go for constraint. So this edge from here 0.09 and this to this distance could be around 0.18. Okay, and then from here to here 0.3. This to this distance will be 1.4. Okay, now we will give corner, so go for corner, select these two edges, go for 0.05. Repeat this process for all the four corners. So after that we'll exit the workbench again and we'll go for padding of 0.01. Okay, now the next thing that we will do is obviously we are going to pattern this. So let's select your pad 4 and go for a rectangular pattern. We'll type in instances as 4 and distance will be 0.36 and this could be y-axis. Go for reverse direction. Okay, now select the pad, go for a mirror with the YZ plane. Okay, now what we'll do is okay, we'll select this, go for a mirror, ZX plane. Okay, after that is we will mirror this pocket. So mirror, select your plane. Okay, and then select your pad, mirror, select your plane. Okay, now select your rectangle pattern, mirror your axis. Okay, so quickly we have utilized our mirror command to create the feature. Now what we will do is we will go for a fillet of 0.05 on this edge. Okay, after that we'll select our sketch. So go for XY plane, go to sketch. And take the profile. We can do something like this. Now select this one and this one. Go for coincidence. Select this one and this one. Go for coincidence. Okay, let's not do that. So this distance will be 13 mm, and this point is at a distance of 1 mm. Also this could be at a distance of 4. Okay, after that we'll exit the workbench. We'll go for a groove. We'll select the 360 angle and the axis as this one. Let's preview it. Okay, that's what we wanted. Let's see how it looks. Now the final thing that we will do is fillet for this edge of 1 mm. Preview. Okay, so very quickly we have designed our Apple Pencil, and let's move on and design the cap for this one. Alright, so for the cap, let's go for a new part. Okay, call it pencil cap. Okay, and from here let's sketch our cap. So let's go. Okay, so 8 dia, and then we will exit the workbench. After that we'll go for a padding to 50, reverse direction. Okay, let's go for edge fillet, 4 mm. Let's go for YZ plane, sketch, and select a circle. Let's go for a pocket up to 10 mm. Okay, select YZ plane again, go for a sketch, zoom to fit. Now let's project this edge and draw a circle again with a dia of 7. Then exit the workbench and then go for a padding of 1 mm. Okay, let's do the chamfer 0.2 mm, 45° for this one. Okay, yeah. So very quickly we have designed our cap for the pencil, and let's move on to assemble these two. Alright, now so for the assembly it's very easy. Let's go to file, let's go to new, let's go for our product this time. Okay, and from here let's insert existing component, select product, then go to your parts. So my part are these two. Okay, open it. So right now let's go for some manipulation. So let's select it. Right, that's it. First thing that we will do is insert coincidence, this one and this one. Then contact this face with this face. Let's update it. Yeah, that's perfect. We can hide our constraints. We can hide our axis as well. So yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys like this video, and in case you have any doubts with the design of this one, feel free to comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Peace out.